So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can get this WP Safelink in just $4 with lifetime update and license key. So I'm gonna purchase this and I will install it in my website. So you have to click on buy now. Now here you have to fill your basic details. Now I want to tell you this thing that if you are purchasing this from us, then you will get lifetime update in your dashboard, so you don't have to worry about any update. So now you see this, the payment is done. So we got the files, we got all the files. All done. You see this, it's all downloaded. So now it's time to install it in our website. So before it I want to tell you this thing. So what you have to do is you have to go to your cPanel. Now here you have to, you see this database, there is advanced option, you see this PHP configuration. Now this will run with any PHP version, but in this extension you need a extension for this. You see this, you need to have this extension in order to activate this. It's done. Now we're gonna activate this. Choose files, this one. Successfully done. Where is, you see this? Now it will ask you for license key. So there we have this license key. Copy and paste it. Done. Now you see this. Now you can do all the setups from your side. Now you see this, the plugin is working perfectly. You see this. Now you can do all the setups from your side however you like. You see this, everything is there. You can paste the body code also, script. See this, templates, everything is working perfectly. I'll show you this license also. You see this, everything is there. So hopefully this video is helpful for you, and this video has helped you to save some money. If yes, then just give it a like and please subscribe my channel. That's it. Thank you.